okay, for the IS model, okay, we'll be learning how to derive the IS model, okay, the IS curve, as well as learning what changes the IS curve. Okay, first step, okay, we need to draw the Keynesian cross diagram. Okay, cross model sorry. Okay, this is Y, this is aggregate expenditure. Okay, let's just assume that this economy has got only consumers, okay, and no government. Okay, so this is what our AE model will look like. Okay, this is aggregate expenditure. Okay, and we're gonna draw a 45-degree line up here. Okay, and this will give us our equilibrium income. Okay, so we just extend it downwards. Okay, this has to be the same axis Y, and this will be interest rate. Okay, so we know that when okay, anyway, assuming now interest rate is at RO, alright, so RO. Okay, it's all about just extending points from graph to graph. So I got my first point over here, A. Okay, so we know that there is a inverse relationship between interest rates and investment. Okay, reason is because of opportunity cost. If interest rates are high, okay, why would I want to take the risk and put it into investments? I must have just put it into the bank and earn interest. So therefore, when interest rates go up, investments go down. Works for the other way around. If the interest rates are so low, I think I can get a better return in the bank. Okay, I want to fight inflation. Okay, so I will invest. However, this has actually been proven to be wrong. Okay, if you look at the subprime crisis, mortgage crisis that just happened, what happened was that the new head of Federal Reserve came in and he lowered interest rates, and the result, okay, the stock market crashed. Okay, but that's another story lah. Okay, I'm being a bit long-winded. Sorry. Okay, so now assuming that interest rates has fallen from RO, okay, to R1. Okay, so interest rate has fallen R1. We know that the A equation, okay, is made out of consumption and investment. Okay, there's no government. Interest rate has fallen. Okay, investment will go up. So this will shift the whole AE upwards. We have a new intersection over here. Y1. Okay.
Shift up. You cannot see the button.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So there we have the IS. Okay, it's affected by autonomous expenditure as well as taxes. Okay, so basically whatever happens to aggregate expenditure, okay, if aggregate expenditure increases, okay, something will happen to the IS curve. Okay, just some guidelines. Okay, I will not go through in depth. Okay, every time autonomous, okay, expenditure increases, okay, AE will shift right. IS will shift right. Okay, every time it falls, it goes the other way lah. Okay, there's this thing called the multiplier. Okay, we'll go into the multiplier another day. Okay, so for now, just remember that when there is an increase in autonomous consumption, autonomous expenditure, okay, IS will shift right. Okay, let's try that. Okay, let's assume, okay, that AE has fallen. Okay, aggregate expenditure has fallen. Okay, so I will go here. Okay, that's quite a drastic fall. Okay, this is a new AE. This is my new equilibrium. Okay, Y2. Has my interest rates changed? No, it's at R1. Okay, so what's going to happen is that my whole IS curve is going to shift to the left here. Okay, all the best.